Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming two essentials. Your phone is unlocked and you have permission to view saved networks. Open Settings, then Network and Internet, then Wi-Fi. Once there, make sure Wi-Fi is on and you see the connected network name. You can only reveal passwords for networks already saved or currently connected. Tap the connected SSID because that opens the detailed view where Android stores sharing data. This step gets you to the screen where the password reveal option appears, so go ahead and tap it now. Once you tap Share or the QR code icon, Android prompts for authentication. This is why the lock screen PIN or biometric was needed. Authenticate, and the phone generates a QR image plus a line of plain text in some versions. Read the password shown below the QR or use the copy button if present. If only a QR appears, scan it with another device's camera to extract the passphrase. Make sure to note exact capitalization and symbols. Wi-Fi is case sensitive, so your next connection succeeds. If the Share QR option is missing, you can open Saved Networks, select the SSID and repeat authentication. On older builds, use ADB with developer options enabled to pull WPA supplicant files. Another reliable route is signing into your router's admin page, usually 192, 168, 0, 1 or 192, 168, 1, 1, and viewing the wireless password there. If things go wrong, reboot the phone and router, confirm your Android is updated, and retry.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.